as you tell, you help working professionals or entrepreneurs who are stuck move out or do something else or help them in the journey. Have you ever actually felt that you are stuck somewhere in your journey? And if that has happened, so what did you do technically to get out of it or move along with it? And also, if there was anybody else who helped you as well during this process.
Oh, I love this question, Veer. Thank you so much for asking because that's a very interesting story which I have to tell you about myself. So, post COVID, when things were not too great for me and I was struggling, I had to get back to work because, yes, as you heard, I have 32 years of work experience. But pre COVID in 2019, I took a sabbatical and then COVID came in and then I had to get back. Now, getting back meant either I get back to what I was doing past years, which was retail management since 18 years, which I had done. But at that point of time, retail was really struggling for us. It was I was doing my business with my husband, and I knew I had to get back. Now I'm also an artist. I make canvases and create my own stuffs. So at that point of time, in 2020 to 2022, you can say I really struggled very hard thinking what to do. So I was riding on three horses. First one, I thought as an artist, I could make paintings and I could sell them. Second horse was I love creativity. So I was doing a lot of work on Canva, Adobe Photoshop. So I thought, maybe make posts and reels, graphic designing, and, get work through that. And third one was, which by past also speaks about being a trainer. So I thought maybe, I can get back to, training, online training. Now, while riding on three horses together, obviously, you know what happens. You cannot give your 100% to any one of it. You cannot focus as maybe to marketing, or it may be giving to your full ability or potential to it. That's when I realized after working like that for 1.5 years, this is not happening for me. So, and I was at that point of time also lowest in my emotions. I was suffering my lows. And I also realized I had to upskill myself because training with retail management में बहुत बड़ा gap आ गया था. So then I thought कि first I need to recover and I understand where I need to be. That's when I got into being coached